congratulations. Time like this, these salutations. We gon' make it, no question of chances. Confetti falling, these bitches in trances. That boy winning. Crazy to think how much work done in one sitting. One time for who been down. 2 times to my killers if you been round. This is day one. If you new to the mix, you get spun. Blessed to see the long run. It was so out the blue. Now I'm in my Sunday's best shit, y'all are too. Been through some shit, my face don't suggest. I know y'all been through some shit too. Fuck your issues, fuck all your problems. Whatever worry you got here to solve them. Don't put your cup down and you see the bottom. Pour a little out for the soldiers that's falling. Like breakfast on a Saturday morning, like head unasked for. Close my eyes for a second, I can hear fans calling. And imagine it's a world tour. I ain't heard from my boss in a minute, cause I work for my motherfucking self. And I get blowed all I want to. Smoke weed like it's good for my health. Looking for the title with my motherfucking belt. Ain't tripping cause my queen don't creep on some stealth. And I ain't gotta worry about my bitch won't. She can get it for her motherfucking self. And my homies good and they mamas good. And we all living like Oprah Hood. My face all over TV. You ain't gotta look far to see me. Back up again. I'm more focused now than I've ever been. I just wanna win time and time again. I just wanna win time and time again. I fell plenty times, got back up again. I'm more focused now